Real quick video showing a potential or very likely culprit for battery drainage. So basically what was happening is that the Rambler wasn't starting because the batteries were draining. They were discharging. And this is a flasher. This is the one that was in it before, and then I replaced it with this one here. Just a temporary thing, but this here, from the rust, as you can see, it's kind of corroded, and there's rust on the windings here. So what was happening is, in the place where it's at now, there's water falling on it, and well, that's what happens. And then it was discharging because it was getting really hot. I just put my hand on it, and it was really, really hot. So, and as you can see, it didn't really melt anything. It was just there. Sometimes if there's too much amperage, there's a really dead short circuit somewhere, it'll just melt the wire or melt whatever is connected to it. Boom, that's it. Unless you have a fuse, then it'll blow the fuse. That's the problem with fuses. But if you have a wire, then it'll just melt the wire, and then it'll kind of fix itself, right? Because now you don't have a wire going to whatever it was going to. So then now you no longer have the short. But in this case, it was just a mild short circuit, not a complete short circuit. So it was just getting hot, and it was just dissipating the discharge, the energy from the battery as heat. So just something to keep an eye out for.